Hello dear students, myself Dr. Bankar DB. I hope all you are interested to learn the next synthesis of longipholin molecule. Today we will going to see the next synthesis of longipholin molecule designed by S. Karami and P. Tavares. They published this designed synthesis in 2003 in the Journal of Natural Product. The starting precursor used was Wieland-Mischer ketone. So this starting precursor ketone in first step was allowed to react with H2PDC. There is conversion of double bond into single bond. So H2PDC is one of the well-known reagent used in the organic chemistry for the conversion of double bond into single bond. In next step, this diketone compound then react with LDA, that is lithium diisopropyl amide. So this LDA in 3 equivalent react with this diketone and there is formation of trimethylsilyl ether intermediate. So this is the major compound. Then this trimethylsilyl ether intermediate undergo reaction with NBS, that is N-bromosuccinamide. We will see the structure of NBS. This is the structure of NBS. That NBS act as a brominating reagent. So that NBS on reaction with trimethylsilyl intermediate convert into corresponding dibromoketone compound. So that bromo will be formed at 2nd and 6th number carbon atom. So this dibromoketone in next step undergo reaction with DBU in THF. So this DBU is a base. Its full form is 1,8-diaza bicyclo 5,4,0 index 7 in. So it is bicyclic base. That DBU help for the abstraction of proton at 2nd carbon. Then that carbanion will react at 6th number carbon atom and that bromine will be removed. So there is bond formed between C2 and 6th number carbon atom and there is development of new cyclic ring system. So this is the tricyclic ring system. Then this tricyclic compound on reaction with trimethylsilyl chloride in presence of sodium iodide and triethylamine, there is again formation of trimethylsilyl ether intermediate. Then this intermediate containing double bond undergo reaction with CH2I2 in presence of diethyl zinc and N-hexane as a solvent. So this reaction generally we call as Simmons-Smith reaction. So this is Simmons-Smith reaction. So this reaction is important for the generation of propane ring. In organic chemistry, generally we use different types of reactions in the organic synthesis. So that Simmons-Smith reaction is very well known for the formation of cyclopropane. So this double bond react with diiodomethane in presence of zinc reagent. There is formation of cyclopropane derivative. In next step, this type of compound react with ApCl3 in pyridine. There is formation of chlorobromoketone compound. In this particular step, that CH2 of cyclopropane undergo inside the ring. There is conversion of that carbon into chlorine atom. That carbon will attach with the chlorine atom. This is bromochloroketone compound. In next step, this compound undergo elimination reaction in presence of sodium acetate as a base and in methanol solvent. So this is simple elimination reaction. There is formation of double bond at this position. Then this compound on reaction with H2PDC in first step convert into single bond. So initially under reduction condition that double bond will convert into single bond. Then we use Wittig reaction in next step. So this is the Wittig reagent. It is also called as methylene triphenyl phosphorin. Methylene triphenyl phosphorin. So this reagent specifically convert this carbonyl group into CH2, and that second carbonyl group remains as it is. So here we have two carbonyl group. That carbonyl group is more free in the space for the reaction with Wittig reagent. Therefore, there is conversion of this carbonyl group into CH2, that is alkene. In next step, that alkene will allow to react with Simon-Smith reagent, that is CH2I2 in zinc. In presence of zinc, there is formation of cyclopropane. There is formation of cyclopropane intermediate. As we know that in the longipholene molecule, there is presence of two methyl group at this particular position. So here that cyclopropane compound or intermediate then react with H2 and platinum oxide. Here for the conversion of cyclopropane into dimethyl group, we use H2 platinum oxide. So this is the well-known reagent for the cleavage of cyclopropane ring into corresponding dimethyl substituent. In next step, that dimethyl substituent was allowed to react with tri-N-butyl tin hydride in presence of benzene. So this is the reducing reagent, and that will help for the formation of hydrogen from alkane, so from alkyl halide. So that a tri-N-butyl tin hydride convert halogen into corresponding alkane. So here that bromine will convert into hydrogen. In next step, that ketone react with methyl lithium. In first step, there is formation of that carbonyl group will convert into CH3 and OH. Next step, we use SOCl2. Under SOCl2 condition, that alcohol will convert into Cl. Then that hydrogen and that Cl undergo elimination. There is formation of alkene. That is, there is formation of carbon double bond CH2 group. So this structure we can write down in this simple way. So this is the structure of longipholene molecule. So here I have completed the synthesis of longipholene molecule designed by S. Karimi and P. Taures. Thank you for watching this video.